Good morning, students. Today I am going to teach you one poem from your literature book, Father to Son. Okay, Father to Son is written by Elizabeth Jennings. Okay, this is a poem about a father who wants to convey his message to his son, and he also wants to show his agony. Okay, agony means dukh. Okay, now come to the poem. I do not understand this child, though we have lived together now in the same house for years. I know nothing of him, so try to build up a relationship from how he was when a small, yet have I killed. Means in the above line, the poet shares his feelings about his relationship with his son. He says that although they both had lived together in the same house for many years, yet he doesn't understand him. He doesn't know anything about his son, his likes and dislikes. He tried to build up a relationship with him from the time he was he was when and a small. His son has changed as he grown up and now he become very young. Next stanza, the seed I spent or sown it where the land is his and none of mine. We speak like strangers, there is no sign of understanding in the air. This child is built to my design, yet what he loves I cannot share. In the second stanza, the father uses I in the first line to acknowledge his role in the communication gap between his son. He says that despite all the efforts, his son was in another place that the father cannot access. They used to talk to each other like strangers, and there was no sign of understanding between them. His child used to look like him, and yet he didn't know what his son loved. Next stanza. Silence surround us, I would have him prodigal, returning to his father's house, the home he knew, rather than see him make and move his world. I would forgive him too, shaping from sorrow a new love. Means in the third stanza, there is a silence between them. As a child, he was prodigal son, and now his father wanted him to return to his house, the one he knew. He didn't want his son to move around and make his own world. He was ready to forgive him and let go of the sorrows he had inside because of him. Because of the distance between them, he wanted to love him again. Next stanza. Father and son, we both must live on the same globe and the same land. He speaks, I cannot understand myself why anger grows from grief. We each put out an empty hand, longing for something to forgive. Now the son speaks for the first time and explains what he feels. He also feels sad about the distance between them. He shares that he is at a point where he doesn't understand himself. His anger arises out of his sadness. It is quite clear that on both sides lies the same frustration about the gap in their relationship. They both want to forgive each other, and yet they cannot find a solution to the problem. Both of them put out an empty hand for other to seek, always in vain. Okay, means from this poem we try to know about the gap between the father and son, and in most of the days we saw that there were lots of father who have no time for their sons. They came from their offices and slept at night, and in the morning they again wake up and went to the office. They have no communication between their son to their family. So that's why the gap becomes larger and larger every day. Thank you. Have a nice day.